Dear friends, so today we have our first lecture on criminal litigation, which is a very exciting subject in my opinion. And here with me today is Marinelle Bondanau. She is one of our tutors, in particular for criminal litigation as well. Hello, Marinelle.
Hello, hi everyone. Hello. Nice to
Just,
be here, by the way.
yeah, as an icebreaker,
Mhm.
just a second, I always forget my microphone. As an icebreaker, we usually discuss with the tutors, some, general points, for example, career related or exam related. You have a quite substantial experience of searching job in the UK and many
Yes.
different successful employments. Would you share some tips, briefly, to help people, to give people some tips how to find a job? Maybe
Yes, of
some.
course, absolutely. Yes. Well, there are other ways, obviously, to get a proper job in the UK. But the two main ones that I would recommend is through LinkedIn and through agency, because just based on personal experiences. For the LinkedIn one, just make sure that you have a solid information on your LinkedIn, making sure that your connection is wider and your personal information is as wide as possible, or just for the prospective employer to get in touch. It could be a prospective employer, or it could be agency who will be getting in touch through LinkedIn. It is very effective in that way. The second one is through registering with an agency, because most employers, especially the big ones, if they need, like, someone solicitor or a paralegal, they would normally go through the agency, because they think, like, in terms of the compliance of doing the background check, etc. If the agency could do that on behalf of the employer, they normally like doing it that way. So registration with an agency, or making sure that your LinkedIn is it's very good, because, as I
Can you
said,
share
employer.
some names of the agencies if you want to suggest any? Otherwise, it's fine.
Yes. Well, off the top of my head, I would say, like, Law Absolute. Um, so Law Absolute, they it's quite known agency in the UK. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to say it, but just from my personal experience, when I used to work as a in-house counsel, we would normally get our work paralegals or solicitors through them. That's why, off the top of my head, I can remember. Um, there is also what you call law support. I haven't registered with them, but some of my friends are registered with them. Law support. They tend to do more on the paralegals, but I suppose, because we have candidates who obviously who are qualifying through the local route, where they will be required to do the 2 years qualifying work experience. So law support as an agency could be a very good agency for those who are trying to qualify through the local route. Um, there are others that I could look at and maybe give you some list if that would be helpful.
Yeah, why not? Maybe
Yes, yes.
everything's
But just
okay.
off the top of my head, those two agencies that I could think of.